Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another new video. In our previous video, we talked about how you can create a website and do some changes on our website. So I have to change some sidebar on our website. So for this, I will change it. We will go to our WordPress dashboard, then we will go to appearances, and then we will go to widget. Go to widget, and after come over here, you will get okay. It's in sidebar. Mm, Recent post search bar. Okay, recent post. It's in search bar. Then behind this, it's a recent comment. Then archive category. So I don't want them actually, so I will first of all remove this. Then recent post, I also don't need this because it's look so bad. I will just I will just remove recent comment also. I will remove this. The category should be here. Filter top product. I don't also want to show this. So now I'll click on update button. After updated it, I have to purge all. So I purge them all. Okay, then I will reload it. The category section is working, but there is another two section. Wait, I want to remove them actually. Remove group, remove. I'll click on update again. I again purge all. Then I will reload it. Now there is one, so I also want to remove him. Hmm, I'm not getting the option. Okay, no problem. Okay, the sidebar is removed, but I want that it's show there. Then now it's okay. I'll click on update. Now I'll click on reload. Purge all. Okay, now it's good. Oh, I also have to give him at the top. Okay, now I per goal category remove group, remove group. Okay, now it's good. Wait. Okay, now it should work. Mm, what is happening actually? There is no section, so where it's going on? Top rated product here. Okay, now it's good. Okay, we'll make an parses on our website with another browser. So let's do it. Why just this browser actually? Okay, we'll just go to this. This is our blog. It's look good. How I can buy a product? I will do this now. So first of all, I will log out as an admin. After log out there, I will go to the website. Okay, so this is our website, and we show you some settings that how you can changes some things on your website. In our next video, we'll show you, we'll actually check that how you can buy a product on our website. And that's all about our today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more videos like this. And thank you very much for watching our videos.